Hey guys, we're outside Ngee Ann City in Singapore now for the Subaru Palm Challenge. It's been happening annually for the last 18 years. That's even longer than the American Idol since 2001. So the rules are really simple. There are 400 contestants. There are 10 Subaru Foresters. The contestant that can leave their palms on the car for the longest time walks away with a brand new Subaru. The competition is represented by 10 Malaysians who have gone through preliminary rounds in Malaysia and they're now here to compete with 390 other contestants from all over Asia, most of which are made up by Singaporeans. It's gonna get really interesting. These are the contestants from Malaysia. Guys, say hi. So we're right outside the Ngee Ann City Mall at the moment and you can see some of the contestants making their final preparations. Some of them are getting some shut-eye. The last bit of rest they'll get for the next 24 hours, 48 hours or so, because every 6 hours they'll only get 5 minutes break. And at 5 minutes they'll have to choose whether they want to go to the toilet, get some food, have a change of clothing, and that's pretty much it. So I'm with the Malaysian contingent at the moment and these guys have gone through preliminary rounds in Malaysia and now they've been brought over by Subaru to compete in the finals. Let me introduce you to some of the contestants. You are?
Hello. Mr. Yo. Rockman. Mr. Moji.
16.
Scott Tan. Yi Cheng. Selvin. Sophie.
Alright, congratulations guys on getting into the finals. All the best. Woo! Captain, you are?
I'm Scott.
You're Scott. What have you done? You are?
I'm Scott.
You're Scott. What have you done to prepare yourself for this competition, man? Because there's nothing to do. Literally nothing to do. It's all mental. So what kind of preparations have you done?
Enough sleep actually. Enough sleep, then just make your mental and physical strong
So a lot of meditation?
Meditation, not exactly
Right.
Then enough sleep is the most important thing
Okay, enough sleep.
Then you have to set what is your target. When you come here, then you need a target, right?
Right.
So
obviously it's going to be a Subaru XE, right?
yeah, and you need to break your personal record
Okay, cool. All the best guys. I sure hope you know what you're getting yourself into. I'll be thinking about you from the comforts of my bed, watching Netflix. Wow, this guy is looking for a different kind of prize, man. No man, you're crazy. Have you seen how hot it is today? No. Forget it.
Contestants, get ready. 5, 4, 3, palm on the car.
So it's only been 4 minutes, 5 hours away from the next break, and apparently there's already been one contestant who has pulled out. Look at all these serious faces, guys. It's not going to be easy at all. Just standing here holding the camera in this heat is already very tiring. It's about high 30 degrees at the moment, and look at how close these guys are standing close to each other. It's not going to be easy, guys. The challenge is not only to withstand the fatigue, the tiredness, the heat, but also body odor. Body odor is gonna be a real problem, guys. We got a fellow Malaysian here, Selvin. All the best, bro. We've got another fellow Malaysian here, Scott. All the best, Scott. You can do it. Not sure if you guys can see it, but these guys here on this car and that car have it a lot easier because it's under the shade. And these guys here, oh, poor thing, man. Not only do they have to stand under the sun because the cars are in the sun, the cars are really hot as well. Can you imagine leaving your hands on a really baking hot car? Oh, it must be so tough. I feel you guys. I feel your pain, bro. I'm gonna be thinking about you from my air conditioning hotel room later. So 2 hours into the competition, 400 contestants, there are now 368 left, but the good news is 10 out of 10 Malaysians are still in the reckoning. In case you're wondering, all these guys here are actually not spectators. These are all family members here to spur their family members on, waiting for them to get their breaks so that they can feed them food. It's a really interesting sight, guys. Very motivating, very encouraging. Right guys, behind me now is a white tent, and in about half an hour's time, once we hit the 6-hour mark, you're going to witness one of the maddest scenes imaginable. The contestants are going to take turns and each are only going to have 5 minutes break, and in that 5 minutes they can either choose to change their clothing, have some food, or go to the toilet. It's going to be an absolute mad scramble. I can't wait for you to check it out.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Look at this, guys. Absolute mad scramble. Rushing for food, water, toilet breaks. That's what family members are for, right? One for all for one. Check this out. Subaru even provided masseuse for those who are physically just worn out. Well, they're gonna need it. Got many more hours ahead of them. That was absolutely insane, guys. I've never felt 5 minutes pass so quickly before. Everyone was just scrambling everywhere, rushing for water, rushing for food. But here's the thing though, I noticed the camaraderie between all the contestants was quite nice to watch. Everyone was actually helping each other out. I think like throughout the last 6 hours, they kind of built a relationship amongst each other. So it was quite cool to see them helping each other out with water, food, drinks and everything. I can't wait to check out more of those, and I'm pretty sure there is more drama to unfold, so stay tuned. We're about 9 hours in, there are about 270 participants left. Good news is, Malaysians still 10 out of 10 in the reckoning. The two other countries with full participants, 10 out of 10, Vietnam, Philippines. The rest, the numbers are slowly dropping. That's it for me today. Day 1 of the Palm Challenge. I'll be seeing you tomorrow with more updates and more action. Right, we're at day 2 of the Subaru Last Palm Standing Challenge. Almost 24 hours now, these contestants have been standing here without any sleep except for some 5-minute breaks in between. There are 162 contestants left, only 6 out of 10 Malaysians remaining. Philippines though, still going really strong. 10 out of 10 are still around. You can really start seeing the fatigue kicking in right now. Like a lot of them are really like just bending over. Again, alternating between the left leg and the right leg to just stand. A lot of them are clutching onto their bags. I can imagine how tiring it feels. Their backs must be aching at the moment. Having been standing here overnight, remember, almost 24 hours without sleep now. You try doing that in the comforts of your own home, I bet you can't last 30 minutes. It's gonna be an action-packed day. Right, these are the few Malaysians still in the reckoning. Show me your spirit, guys. Yeah. The other Malaysians still going strong. Scott, come on, show me your spirit. Yeah, man, still going strong, smiling. Yep. You make sure you stay there. Don't go anywhere. Right, so I'm now with the winner, the 2011 winner of the Last Palm Challenge, Mr. KC Chong. He is here participating for a charitable cause, not with the other contestants. So let me ask you, what do you think was the hardest part of this challenge? Bear in mind, this guy stayed for 75 hours. He went 75 hours without sleep. What do you think was the hardest part of this challenge?
When you stand there, we don't think of it's a hard challenge.
Yeah.
We think it's a very easy challenge.
Yeah.
So in our mental strength, power.
Yeah.
It's just for positive thinking.
Yeah.
And every time you're in the challenge, you tell yourself, I am the best.
So don't think about your tiredness, your fatigue, positive thoughts all the way.
Yes. So this is one of the techniques to win
Yeah.
Mental must be very strong.
Yeah. So we're more than 24 hours in now. Check out car 5 over there. It's less than a handful of participants left on that car. It's pretty insane. Everyone's looking visibly tired. The arena looks like there are a whole lot less contestants now. In fact, some of them look a little delusional. They're really struggling. Wish you all the best, guys. Believe it or not, this is the only source of water for these guys. I've seen some contestants actually trying to lick their face to get some source of water because, like I said, they only get a 5-minute break every 6 hours. Look at that, you see a little cheeky tongue sticking out. Look at this guy, look at this guy. So we've just passed the 30-hour mark now. The contestants are having their 5th break. Bear in mind, their breaks are 1 and 7 o'clock. Whether it's AM or PM, they're going through their 5th break now. If you can remember, the average time is about 60 to 70 hours. So 30 hours, they're barely scratching the surface. If anything, they're probably only just halfway. The next 12, 24 hours is going to be twice, maybe even 3 times as tiring as the last 24 hours. I wish them good luck. So we're 45 hours in now. There are 49 contestants left. 2 Malaysians left in the running, and if you want to see the limits of human capacity to stay up, this is the place to be. Visibly, there are a lot less contestants now, and my, the faces on the contestants. I have never seen people looking so tired before. Eyes really red, a lot of them are crouching over. Honestly, I don't know what they're going through. I do not want to experience it. Even myself, I can't wait for it to be over. I've even run out of t-shirts to wear now. I'm almost running out. Alright, the stakes are getting a lot higher now. The rules are getting a lot stricter. It's gonna get a lot more interesting. You see the orange tag on this guy's hand? The moment your palm leaves the sticker just a bit, you get 1 tag. 3 tags and you're out. Spirits are still obviously very high over there. That's one of 2 contestants left. The guy brushing his hair, Scott. We're all rooting for you. That's the other Malaysian contestant, number 16, Riwat. Still looks really positive and in good spirits. Carry on. Gosh, she looks so different from 2 days ago. That's what not sleeping for 2 days does to you. So that's it for now, guys. The Subaru Last Palm Standing Challenge. Would you be willing to stay up a few nights for a Subaru, or let's say 100,000 ringgit? If not, what would you be willing to do for 100,000 ringgit? Leave your thoughts in the comment section. I hope you enjoyed this video. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button. And of course, for the latest updates on our newest videos, don't forget to hit the bell icon as well. See ya! At the end, 41-year-old Siripong Tusadi was the last man standing, having stayed up and kept his palm on the car for a staggering 76 hours and 55 minutes. He was the first Thai to have won the challenge and walked away with a new Subaru worth SGD 76,000.